What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Today a little bit of a different one. Today I'm gonna show you the last 6 trades that I took live and in advance for all my students. I'm gonna show you how I posted them live and the outcome of them, because it was pretty good and some of you might be interested how I'm sending my trades out to my students. So let's hop into my channel to analyze them. So guys, this is starting from the 14th of July. Today is the 22nd of July. So this was basically the last week of trading. I hit 6 trades in total and won 5 of them, and I only hit 1 loss yesterday, and that was the outcome for the week. A very good week, very good progress. I hit a losing streak before, but I made it all back with this streak. That's why I always say trust the system. And as you can see, on the 14th of July, I posted this trade and told my members that I'm trying this long right here. We were in a bullish structure. My range got created, as you can see, from top to bottom. We broke above it while being bullish. That was my trigger. All the other things that I'm looking at, that I'm teaching my students, were aligning as well. They exactly know how this system works. I posted this trade right here, as you can see, live and in advance. Then always a little bit of updates in between if I have time, just for my students to have clarity, to know, don't overcomplicate it. And the next day in the morning, this trade hits full. This trade hit its full take profit target, as you can see. Made 1.5 R on this trade, risked $2,000, and it was a full success, guys. And the same day, a few hours later, I entered this short, same as before, but vice versa. Market was bearish. All my things that I was looking at were aligning, so I took this short. It was a limit entry, as you can see, NQ short limit. It got filled pretty quick, and then it dumped immediately to the target, or to the break-even point first, as you can see. 1.2 R on my break-even point, and I updated my members that I'm putting my stops break even. I always update them when I change something, always live and in advance. And then it hit the full take profit target, like 30 minutes of trading, or not even 30 minutes. The trade took 30 minutes, the analyzing took 5 to 10 minutes, and that's it. Next day I updated my scenarios for the day, then took the same short limit again as the day before. We got filled. It almost got stopped out, as you can see right here, but you never doubt yourself. You have your invalidation, guys. Why would you overcomplicate it? Why would you stress out because price goes there? You know what's gonna happen worst case, and you know how much you are risking per trade. Why are you overcomplicating moves in between your extreme zones, between your stop loss and between your take profit? It's not necessary. Enter your trade, set alarms, and close the chart. Forget about it. As you can see right here, we pumped almost to the stop loss, but went back to break even. I'm just always updating the members that they don't need to stress as well. And then we dumped pretty hard. And the next day I woke up again. We hit the full take profit target overnight. It's the 3rd win this week so far. Crazy winning streak. And the next day, or the same day when this trade hit take profit, I entered longs again. Same principle as on the first day. Bullish structure, everything was aligning. I took this limit. I thought maybe we get filled because we pumped pretty hard, and NQ filled us with a sniper entry, as you can see right here. It was a very close entry, but my trade got filled, and we then pumped slowly, but not slowly. It was a quick price action as well. We hit the break-even point. I had my alarms at the break-even point, and then I set my trade break-even, updated my members, and it was Friday. Market was almost closing, so I took 50% off at 1.2 R. You can do that if market is close to closing, just to lock some in. And on Monday, still 50% were open. We didn't get stopped on break-even, as you can see, and then we hit the full take profit target when I arrived here. I'm in Italy currently, guys, for the week. That was the 5th win in this trading streak. And then this one was my short I entered when I was traveling to Italy. I updated it a little bit later, but price retraced, so everybody got the entry that they wanted. Then we filled the short again. We was on a bit of a roller coaster right here, as you can see. Pumped a little bit into the stop loss, but it held. It was a nice trade again. We dumped afterwards to the break-even point, updated everybody again, and then we hit the full take profit target, guys. 5 wins in a row. Very nice price action, very clean trades. Everything is aligned. All of those triggers I built myself, and I learned my students to do the same, either with trading this setup or building their own trading system. If you're interested in that, you can fill out the form below, and maybe we can start working together. I can help you get to a full-time trader state as well. I got over 300k in prop firm payouts, and this setup, this system is a big part of it. And yesterday I entered a short. I got the same triggers as before, guys, but very important, not every trade will be a win. You have to be comfortable with losing trades. If you can't lose, you will never be a profitable full-time trader. I will promise you that, guys. I entered this short, everything was aligning. We dumped pretty hard at the beginning. It was a nice start, but then we got stopped out. We pumped above, we pumped into my stop loss, but it's all good. As I mentioned, can't win every trade. this system has a win rate of 50%. In this week, it was of course way better than that. It was like a 85% win rate. But on average, it's 50%, guys. And the more trades you take, the more it will go closer to your average. That's very important to know when you build a system. And as I mentioned, guys, that's the full trading week that I had. It was a pretty good run. I risked 2K for every trade. Take profit is 3K, 1.5R. So very nice profits. I made back the losses that I made before with my bad losing streak, and I made back more. And that's why I always say trust in your system. Don't freak out. And if you need help with your trading, if you want to go to a full-time trading state, fill out the form below as I mentioned, guys. And then I will look over it, see if you could be the right fit for it. And then we start working together. Okay, guys, I will see you in the next video. I hope you have a nice day and good luck with the trading. Peace out.